This class we discuss about calculation of compound interest using formula. Okay. What is the formula for compound interest? The first formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. Okay, that is the formula. So here A is equal to amount. A is the amount. P is the principal. And R is the rate of interest. And n is the number of years. So this way you can calculate the compound interest. Or the second formula is A, that is compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. This is amount minus principal. Okay. So compound interest is equal to, what is the amount? Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus P. Here P common. Compound interest is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus P. Okay. Again P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, n is the number of years. Okay, this is 1. Not P, this is 1. Because we take it out P. The next is, suppose the interest rates are different. For first year the interest is R1 percentage. Second year the interest is R2 percentage. Third year the interest rate is R3 percentage. How to calculate the compound interest? Compound interest amount A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100, R1 by 100 to the power n into 1 plus R2 by 100 to the power n into 1 plus R3 by 100 to the power n. This is for 3 years. If it is for 4 years, R1 plus 1 plus R4 by 100 to the power of n. Okay. So this way we can calculate first method. This is second. This is for different interest rate for first year, second year and third year. Okay, next is when the interest is compounded. Interest is compounded half yearly. That means what? 2 times per year. Okay, 2 times per year they are calculating the compound interest. So again, how to calculate is? How to calculate the compound? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100. So this interest by 2 into number of years into 2. So that is the way you have to calculate. If the interest is compounded half yearly. Okay. Then the interest is, when the interest is compounded quarterly. Quarterly means 4 times per year. Okay. So this is how to calculate. A is equal to P into 1 plus r by 4 into 100 into n into 4. Okay, this way you have to do it. So these are all the very important formulas. One is compound interest. This is the thing. Second is compound interest is equal to this formula. Third is the rates are different, so we have to go for this. This is the third formula. The interest is calculated half yearly. Half yearly means that is interest divided by 2, number of years into 2. This is quarterly. Quarterly means 4 times. Okay. So these are all very, very important. Now we can tabulate number of years compounded interest, that is yearly, and compounded half yearly. That n is equal to 1. The number of years is 1. The compounded yearly A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 1. Okay. For compounded half yearly, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100. Resistance, that is interest divided by 2 into number of years into 2. And the second is when n is equal to 1.5 years. 1.5 years is equal to 3 by 2. 1 year, half year. So for first year, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 1 into half year. 1 plus R by 2 into 100, half into 2 to the power. Okay. For compounded half yearly, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 into 3 by 2 into 2. The third case, n is equal to 2 years. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2. And compounded half yearly, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 to the power of 2 into 2. Okay. The fourth is n is equal to 2.5 years. For the first 2 years, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 2, and half year 1 plus R by 100 to the power of 1 by 2 into 2. Okay. Compounded half yearly, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 to the power 5 by 2 into 2. Now we will work out some problems. Then we can easily understand how to calculate the compound interest using formula. Thanks.